How to see the recently deleted story on Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, in order to access this method, you have to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. You can just go ahead and do that by updating the application through the Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. Right after updating Instagram, you can just go ahead and open it up, and once inside, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Inside your profile icon, click on the three lines at the corner of your screen, and inside you want to go ahead and click on archive. Inside our archive, you want to go ahead and click on this button, and it will go ahead and show us this pop-up menu where we can go ahead and see the categories for Stories Archive, Post Archive, and Larv Archive. If you cannot go ahead and see the recently deleted stories yet, it means that the feature has not been released yet in your region. So just go ahead and wait for further updates on Meta Team. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.